Hi, I'm Heath Hine with Clearview Windshield Repair. In this clip, you're going to see how to clean and maintain your tools. After you've finished with the repair, make sure that you get everything put away. Always make sure that your caps are on tight so that you don't have resin leaking out in your box. Also, you don't want that resin to cure by the ultraviolet light of the sun. Otherwise, you've just spent $25 and it hardened. Okay, make sure that all of your tools are cleaned because they could have some resin on them as well. Bridges. This is why you want to use your apron. And if you happen to have your carbide tip on your drill brake, these bits are actually about $1 a piece. So if you buy 10, it's going to be $10. Just replace that. We always have like different tips that you can use. Wipe everything down, put it away, and you're done with your repair.